Today I'm talking about what I can call as sanitation prerequisites. But first, remember, every day lives are lost to the consumption of unsafe food, and it's perfectly normal that you feel isolated and disheartened in your quest to ensure safe food. I'm here to provide you the hands-on tools you need to enhance your competencies and save time to focus on the never-ending challenge of your daily work. Sanitation is a crucial and fundamental prerequisite for ensuring safe food. It is widely understood that unsanitary conditions in facilities lead to food contamination. However, the most challenging aspects of a sanitation program isn't convincing people of its importance. Rather, it's ensuring that an appropriate program is in place and adhered to. An effective sanitation program and process begin well before any scrubbing takes place. I like to think of it as having prerequisites for this prerequisite. If you are planning or revising your sanitation program, please consider these three aspects. Water hardness. This is primarily determined by the concentration of certain minerals in water, such as calcium and magnesium. And the higher the mineral concentration, the harder the water. Water hardness affects the efficacy of cleaning agents, for example, chlorine-based detergents. The reaction between the minerals in the water and the cleaning agents can produce precipitates, right? Reducing efficiency and leaving residues on the surface. Do you regularly test the water hardness used in your sanitation process? Adjusting the type and concentration of cleaning agents based on this test is essential. Second, sanitary design. This plays a crucial role in the effectiveness of your cleaning program and process. Assess how much of your plant's equipment is designed to ensure easy and effective cleaning. Workers must have access to water to reach areas, especially during cleaning, and equipment should be constructed with smooth, non-porous materials that are resistant to cleaning methods, including scrubbing and chemical agents. Have you assessed your equipment for hygienic design? Use or invest in a flashlight to look for cracks, unsealed joints, water pooling, uneven surface, dead spaces, and etc. Finally, soils, right? Understanding soil characteristics is vital for defining cleaning procedures. The nature of the soil determines the initial step in the cleaning process, dry removal, right? The type of soil also influences the selection of appropriate cleaning agents, as some are more effective in removing fats and proteins, while others are better suited for minerals. The impact of soil types extends to water temperature as well, with hot water being more effective of removing fatty and oily soils, and warm water better for protein-based and sugary soils. These aspects are fundamental in creating a sanitation program that is not only compliant, but also efficient and effective in maintaining food safety standards. That's all I had to share with you today. Keep up the great work ensuring safe food for consumers. Strive to be an SLO and have an impactful and fulfilled career. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.